Hello. Valuing intellectual property is as difficult as ever. It doesn't generate cash in and of itself. It doesn't benefit from the proximity to similar assets as you have with property. And intellectual property also doesn't carry any inherent benefit, such as you might have with a work of art. But that doesn't mean that various people aren't trying to come closer to definitive valuations of IP, and the key seems to be information.
The challenge today is lack of agreements for buyers and sellers, and that's due to lack of enough information. And because they can't agree on the same terms, we see a rise in litigation, and that has kind of blocked the transaction market that should be there.
But it's not just the amount of information. The quality obviously also matters.
Frankly speaking, even they have a lot of information, there is still something blank. They don't really feel 100% secure. So this is a challenge for the clients to realize the real value of the patents.
One solution lies in crowdsourcing the value. Companies such as Article 1 Partners and Petexia take patent valuing requests to their communities of thousands of experts.
We tap into our network for every kind of patent, and we cover all types of subject matters. And for some of these, we use a contest-based model. So, for example, for validity and infringement, it's all about information. If you have the right information, you can make the right decision. And for some others, like we may just ask or get one expert for direct consultation in that particular topic.
The problem is that patents don't exist in isolation, and pricing is also impacted by litigation.
I think all the factors will impact the price. But in practical, a very instant reason is if you find more than 2 or 3 buyers and you have the price competition, then the price will really change. Otherwise, some clients, they might just choose to wait and see because they have many packages to review. They don't really necessarily have to buy some specific packages. So that's kind of a bargain strategy. But if they do find some other buyers showing offers, they might change their way to negotiate the price.
Non-practicing entities make it a business to establish correct pricing of intellectual property, but they don't necessarily have all the answers either.
They have all kinds of models to calculate the potential revenue, which can sustain the price to buy patents. But as you can see nowadays, after a lot of cases in US, either the judgment from the court or from the share price of the NPE business, you can see a trend. Many business models, they don't really go as they expected, and they will impact the price.
Kevin Jekyll runs Unified Patents, which aims to defend patent owners against NPEs. He says part of the problem with patent pricing is the fact that successful litigation brings about more litigation in an ever-increasing spiral, and that also impacts the price.
One of the things that really makes us different is that we do not pay NPEs for licenses. And so we have a kind of deterrent effect where we're not contributing to reinvesting in NPEs, monetizing a technology area over and over and over again.
Perhaps in the end it doesn't matter what the price is, as long as you have a willing buyer.
And when we talk about the price with our clients, they don't really disclose too much detail about how they calculate the price. But we can see a range from a macro point of view. It's really going down. And every company has different interpretation on the price. So
yes,
yeah. But I think our position is very clear. If no transaction, there is no price. People can have their own numbers, but if their number cannot lead to a transaction, it's just for reference.